Our special guest is here. What did you do with them?
I did.
What I had to.
They're...
A better place now. I built us a home
and kept us
safe. And you repaid me by bringing in an outsider. Plotting to
destroy the only heaven
you or I
will ever get. And it hurts your time in the case help you see
reason. The child
is what they made you.
You're hurting me.
Don't be afraid.
I can fix you, Poppy. I
Can make
you
better.
don't touch her.
Come back. Don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
No more games. No more lies.
Let's be scared.
Good.
Poppy. You.
Come back. Don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
No more games. No more lies.
Let's be scared.
Good.
Poppy. You. We're gonna play a game called Cleaning Up. Very good, Huggy. You're doing so. So when you hear the music, you move your little feet. And when the music stops, you make sure you're in the light. Okay? Oh, look, put them in the bad toy box.
No, please, tell me who I am! Please, don't put me in the box!
Oh, look at you, go!
I don't think they're here for the party, Lily. Well, of course they are, Candy. Why else would they be here? We're going to have so much No, we have to set up for the party. Can you be a good toy and bring me the crumpets from the oven in the basement? Are our dear guests bored? Bored of little Tilly Red light! Remember to follow the path! Best is here!
I built us a home and kept us safe. And you repaid me by bringing in an outsider. Plotting to
Destroy
the only heaven you or I
will ever get. I had hoped your time in the case would help you see.
I see now.
This was my fault. You
I let you into my house! I let you come to my tea party! And this is how you repay me!
and you. Well now, this is a rather interesting turn of events. Come, don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
No more games. No more lies.
I know when your birthday is. June 28th.
Wait, I recognize you. Yes, I remember. You used to work here. How are you? Alive. Huh? Barb? Oh. Barb says you're looking for your coworkers. Catnap wouldn't like that you're here. You should leave. For your own safety.
You're the one they've been talking about. We're not the first to try and take out the prototype.
I can see you.
Zoe the Snowman!
He's stretch you, he's down you, he's squish you, he's fun you. D-O-E-Y. He's seal you, he's glue you, he's stick you, he's glue you. D-O-E-Y.
Look at all the colors!
So many tools and one.
Call the number on screen and order your jewelry to...
A good day keeps the monsters away. 2 hugs a day is better in every way.
Welcome home. Your conscience finally getting the better. Finding all the way
The name's Yarnaby. Would you wanna be my friend? Press the button to brush my mane.
As if.
Hiya there, pal. Follow me. I promise I won't bite.
What have you done?
Don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
No more games. No more lies.
I let you into my house. I let you come to my tea party. And this is how you repay me.